In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Gaussian blur effect in Adobe Photoshop. We'll blur the background while keeping your subject crisp and clear, using a clean, non-destructive workflow that's easy to follow. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop and loading the image you want to edit. Any standard format will do. Once your image is open, look to the Layers panel, duplicate your image layer by pressing Ctrl+J. This gives you a working copy on top of the original. Now click the eye icon next to the lower original layer to hide it for a moment so you can focus on the duplicate. Next, we'll isolate the subject, go to the select menu and choose subject. Photoshop will automatically detect the main subject and create a selection. With that active, click the layer mask icon at the bottom of the layers panel. This masks out the background on the top layer, leaving only your subject visible. If the edges aren't perfect, don't worry. We'll refine the background in a moment. To prepare the background, turn the visibility of the lower layer back on by clicking its eye icon. Now hold Ctrl and click on the layer mask thumbnail of the top layer. That loads the subject selection based on the mask you just created. With the selection active, hide the top layer again so you can see the background layer clearly. Let's make sure the selection has a little breathing room to avoid halos. Go to Select, then Modify, and choose Expand. Increase the value based on your image. Smaller images usually need a few pixels, larger ones may need more. Click OK to apply. With the subject area selected on the background layer, go to Edit and choose Fill. Under Contents, pick Content Aware and click OK. Photoshop analyzes surrounding pixels and removes the subject from the background, filling the area naturally. Now remove the selection by going to Select and choosing Deselect, or press Ctrl+D. It's time for the blur. Head to Filter, then Blur, and select Gaussian blur. Use the radius slider to control the amount of blur. Larger images typically require a higher value. Preview the result and aim for a smooth, realistic depth of field look. Click OK when you're happy. Finally, enable the top layer again. Your subject remains sharp and the background is beautifully blurred. You've just created a professional Gaussian blur background effect in Photoshop. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.